A pop-up takes over your screen. A second one slides up from the bottom. A video starts auto-playing in the corner. The article you wanted to read is buried under 3 layers of ads, trackers, and noise. Sound familiar? That mess is exactly what uBlock Origin was built to stop. But here is what nobody tells you. The browser extension everyone recommends only does half the job. The other half, your phone apps, your smart TV, your home network, none of those are reachable by an extension. Most people install uBlock Origin and stop there, leaving huge gaps unprotected. In the next few minutes, you will learn what uBlock Origin actually is, why Reddit recommends it over AdBlock Plus, where it falls short, and what to do about those gaps. We will cover 6 things. Number 1. What uBlock Origin actually is. uBlock Origin is a free, open-source browser extension that blocks ads, trackers, and malicious scripts before they ever load on your screen. It was created by a developer named Raymond Hill and is run as a community project, not a company. There is no paid tier. There are no acceptable ads. There are no sponsorship deals. There is no business model behind the extension trying to monetize you. 3 things uBlock Origin does in real time. It blocks ads from third-party ad networks before the request even leaves your browser. It stops tracking pixels and analytics scripts that follow you across sites. And it filters known malware distribution domains using community-maintained block lists. It is not a VPN. It does not hide your real IP address from the websites you visit. It is one specific tool doing one specific job extremely well. Number 2. Why it gets recommended over AdBlock Plus. Both extensions block ads. The differences come down to philosophy and resources. AdBlock Plus runs an acceptable ads program. Advertisers pay to have their ads whitelisted, which means some ads still appear even with the extension installed. uBlock Origin blocks all ads. Period. There is no whitelist program. There is no business model behind the extension creating pressure to let ads through. uBlock Origin also uses fewer system resources. It runs faster, consumes less memory, and uses better filtering algorithms than the older AdBlock Plus codebase. On a low-end laptop or older phone, that difference matters. The privacy community on Reddit reaches the same conclusion in nearly every thread. uBlock Origin is the default recommendation for browser-level ad blocking. AdBlock Plus is treated as a legacy option that survives mostly on name recognition. Number 3. The Manifest v3 situation. You may have heard that uBlock Origin is dying because of Manifest v3, the new Chrome extension framework. That is half true. The original full-power version no longer works in current Chrome, but the developer ships uBlock Origin Lite, which works under the new rules. Firefox keeps the original version with all power intact. What this means in practice: if you use Chrome, install uBlock Origin Lite. It is less powerful than the original but still blocks the vast majority of ads. If you use Firefox, install the regular uBlock Origin. Either way, you are protected at the browser level. Number 4. Where uBlock Origin cannot help. There are 3 places where the extension is invisible. The first is mobile apps. uBlock Origin only runs in browsers. The ads inside your weather app, your news app, your free games, none of those are reachable by the extension. Mobile apps make their requests directly through the operating system, bypassing the browser entirely. The second is smart TVs and consoles. Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, your Xbox dashboard, your PlayStation home screen. All of those serve ads from their own networks. The extension cannot touch any of them. The third is your home network as a whole. If your kids are on a tablet, your guest is on a laptop, your doorbell camera is calling out to a tracker, uBlock Origin sees none of that. It only protects the browser it is installed in. If any of those 3 describe your life, you need a second layer that operates at the network level rather than inside the browser. Number 5. What we recommend. For everyday internet users in 2026, the answer is layered. Install uBlock Origin in your browser, free, the best tool for that specific job. Then add a second layer that covers the gaps the extension cannot reach. Surfshark CleanWeb is built into the Surfshark VPN subscription. It runs at the DNS level, which means it filters trackers and known ad domains across every device connected through the VPN, your phone apps, your tablet, your TV, your laptop, your guest's laptop on your Wi-Fi. Combined with uBlock Origin in the browser, you get full coverage in the place an extension reaches, plus a safety net everywhere else. Why Surfshark and not a household antivirus brand? 2 reasons. CleanWeb comes bundled with VPN, breach alerts, and unlimited devices, all under $3 a month on the longest plan. And it activates automatically the moment you connect to public Wi-Fi, which is when ad networks and trackers are most aggressive. Number 6. 3 myths to clear up. Myth 1. All ad blockers are basically the same. Not true. The filter list quality, the resource usage, and the business model behind the extension all matter. uBlock Origin runs on community-maintained lists with no commercial pressure to whitelist anything. Myth 2. Browser ad blockers slow down your computer. Not true today. uBlock Origin uses less memory and CPU than running pages with ads enabled because the ads themselves are heavier than the filtering process. Pages load faster with the extension installed, not slower. Myth 3. If you have a pop-up blocker, you do not need an ad blocker. Pop-up blockers stop window pop-ups. Ad blockers stop ad placements inside the page. They are different problems. You need both. Final thoughts. uBlock Origin is the best free browser extension for blocking ads. It is community-run, fast, and honest. Install it. But it does not cover mobile apps, smart TVs, or your home network as a whole. For those, you need a network-level layer like Surfshark CleanWeb running on top. Get Surfshark with CleanWeb at snipstack.io/yt/uBlock Origin Deep. The link in the description is the cleanest path to the discount tier. Under $3 a month. All 5 tools. Unlimited devices. Money-back guarantee. If this video helped you understand uBlock Origin in plain English, hit subscribe. We make explainer videos like this every week. Stay safe out there.